Morning students. Today let's study chapter 2. Be creative. Moral science chapter 2. Be creative. You like very much the word creative. Creative means creativity, doing something in a different way. Doing something in a different way. For better understanding, we can use an example from our classes. Suppose your teacher asks you to prepare a paper bag or any kind of bags, any materials you can use. Any materials you can use. Your teacher might have shown you the idea how to prepare a bag. That is what shape as you wish you can prepare. Once in the class, teacher told the students, when you come tomorrow, you can prepare any kind of bags. She asked 2 minutes demonstration also. You can prepare a bag and 2 minutes demonstration. So almost every student think about the paper. Teacher showed how much paper they have to take, or A4 size paper some have taken, some taken for drawing sheets. You know, drawing sheet little more bigger than this. So different kinds of paper they have taken. Then one of the student, other students other materials have taken, even though one student, her father was medium class family. He was doing the work of tailoring work, cutting pieces and shirts or skirts, whatever needed in the village or the town area, people need, he was stitching and giving. Not very high family members. So, her father was keeping all the cutting pieces. When people comes, they gave some kind of cloth for stitching. He will ask them, do you want balance piece? Then they will tell, no, we don't want you to take it with you. What we will do with this small piece of cloth, we take it if you can use it, something you can use it. Like that. So he kept some pieces of cloth. Then this tailor's daughter, she also wants to prepare a bag. She knows that her father is having problem with economically, that is no sufficient money is there in the family, more or less running their family. So she didn't ask her father for the paper piece for by drawing sheet or A4 size computer paper. So she thought, let me take, there is more pieces on the table of father, there are some waste clothes. Why I can't prepare this one? So she differently think. Everybody was almost all the students. Some students take other materials. Then this girl thinking about, then demonstration also want to be for her in the class. So she thought, less quality cloth, we make some kind of bags. It will be helpful for the people. That time government asked the merchants, please prohibit all kinds of plastic kits. You know what it is, plastic kits? So they could not use that plastic kits. So she take, or in her mind came that idea. Next day she came to the class and the teacher asked all the students about the bag preparation. One by one they were showing their bag, whatever they prepared, whatever decorated, some are very neatly prepared, some are used this and that, all demonstration was going on. This girl told teacher, I prepared this one with cloth, and I think nowadays people are searching to replace for the plastic kits. So these cloth will be cheap quality cloth we can make and prepare the bags for the shops. They can keep the grocery items or vegetables more they are buying. They suppose people are not bringing the bag or something. Instead of these plastic kits, we can use this cloth bag also. So teacher also was so happy how good thinking, and actually it was very useful thing only. Less quality of cloth or old sari, using more kits they can prepare cloth. The material also not so cost. So the common people can use these methods. The common people can use this method, not too much cost this. So the variety of ideas, it brings very good for the people. That locality, not only locality, I hope all over the world people are trying to ban or stop using the plastic kits in the markets. Some places are they never allow to use these plastic kits without seeing the authorities. They are having and giving. So here new thinking of that girl. See what is creativity? Creativity doing something in a different way. So we have seen that is that girl think beyond that inch. This is paper, she told something, other materials, waste materials or something else. We almost all 70% of the people were thinking about the paper or different type. But she thought beyond that inch, beyond that what I can, not like this, not this much. So somehow she has thought about it. So it was very useful for her. In your class, see that is creativity, doing something in a different way. So every day we have to do something. Every day we have to do in the house, for the study matters, anything. See, for the creativity means two processes are there. What is that? Thinking about new idea. So creativity means that is two processes are giving, that is the two process, that is the thinking about new idea. New idea. What is the new idea? So think beyond that and producting it. So in your book there is given doing something in a different way is creativity. Creativity is the ability to have an open mind to limitless possibilities through exploration and experience. Exploration means, given you the meaning here, the activity of searching or finding out something. So exploration, you can, your young age, you can find out many things, you can think about many things. So exploration and experience needed for the creativity. Thinking about new idea and producing it. In order to be creative, we need to be innovative. Innovative means new things we have to do. We need to be innovative so that we can cast aside our set ideas and thinking of something new. Children always remember, if you have ideas, but if you don't act on them, you are only imaginative and not creative. If you want to be creative, you have to put in practice. If you are not putting practice, that is only imaginative, that is not creative. If you want to be creative, what you have to do? You have to put in practice. So there are so many examples in your book. I don't read all. So Harry Potter, you have heard example. J.K. Rowling, Harry Potter, that book written. It was very famous. Every student was very much interesting to read that book. I want to get, please give that book. So many was interesting to read that book. so many copies that time published, that is Harry Potter. Then another one we can see, that is so many examples given in your books. Another one, that is John Steinbeck published The Grapes of Wrath. John Steinbeck, The Grapes of Wrath. Grapes of Wrath, in that novel, it is written there, the author written there, reality of the people. What is written there? That John Steinbeck published his realized novel Grapes of Wrath in 1939. It depicts the plight of the families of tenant farmers and immigrants during the Great Depression. So that time experience, they experience too much poverty or something, no? So it also reveals the darker side of the banking system and famine corporations. Grapes of Wrath became the best selling book of 1939. So how it become a best? Then also here telling that is this Steinbeck even received death threats for writing this novel. Death threats. So many problems comes. We have to overcome the problems. We don't think that is very easy for whatever we think put in practice. No, there is no easy for putting practice the new ideas. It will take time and it will ask you, require you more sacrifices. So then when we are ready to do, then only we will win for that. So he also suffered too much for that. Then next video we will see the story. It is given the story of a young man. He wants to know about the truth of life. So what did he do? The story is telling that a young boy left home in search of the truth. A young boy left home in search of truth. He wanted to find out what is the truth. That is why he was asking someone else, and here and there. Afterwards, what happened to become richer in awareness of ignorance, since people went to the forest and meditated. So these days he has heard about that is many people are going to forest and meditate upon that. So let me also go there and stay there. So first he don't know how to make meditation, how to pray serenely, peacefully, and sitting and meditating. But that is why, what did he do? Every day he will make some kind of noise there. He did not know how to meditate. So he screamed at the forest to give him knowledge. So he was, this boy, no, he was going from the village or the town. He don't know how to meditate, the silent peace of mind, nothing he knows. That is why, what did he do? He wanted to get the knowledge. That is why he was screaming, making too much loud voice. So many days, see, forest for years, not days, for years his mantra was screaming at the forest to give him knowledge. So one day, one sannyasi met sannyasi monk. One day one monk came to him and asked, what do you want, my son? So he told that, I want to, please help me, I want to know the meaning of life. I don't know what is the meaning of life, please help me. So that monk, that sannyasi, what did he say? That first you go to the town, first, the first 3 persons that you met will give you the meaning of life. The monk replied, you go to the town, the first 3 you see, that will give you the meaning of life. That's why he started journey to the town. First he went, he saw one man is doing carpentry work. He was talking and going and that. Then after second man, you can see the second man doing steel sheet work. That also he didn't understand why he is doing steel sheet work. Third one was making strings. So he was very much sad. Didn't understand anything. First one, carpentry work doing. Second one, doing steel sheet work. Third one, making strings. So without understanding, he was disappointed and sitting in the bank of the river. Sometimes he heard a beautiful music. What was the beautiful music? He heard the sweet strains of violin music and something mysterious touched him. Then he understood it. He suddenly got the answer he was looking for and started dancing. So life means he understood that. It was the combination of many things. The carpenter was preparing the wood for the violin, the sheet metal for the strings, and the string were meat for the violin. So everything together they were making for the violin. Our life also like this. Sometimes happiness, sometimes sadness, sometimes we are in pathetic conditions, sufferings are there. So all together are giving the life that is truth. So he understood that. So here what we study today, there are many points we have to remember. So creative means that creativity doing something. So in our books also some points given us to guide us. That is brainstorming points to have a creative mind. We want to make a creative mind. There are some points given. That is brainstorming points to have creating brainstorming points. Here is brainstorming points to creative thinking. So creativity means doing something in a different way to process, that is thinking about a new idea, producing it. Then examples we have seen Harry Potter books or J.K. Rowling Harry Potter's, then John Stein's novels. All these are very famous because they were doing hard work. Afterwards they can enjoy it. You people, we people, for us, I and you want to be creative. What we have to do? First one, have a great conversation. You have to make a great conversation. That conversation means elder people or very knowledge, those who are having knowledge, successful people around the world have agreed they get best ideas by engaging interesting conversation with interesting people. Lot of people are different fields they are interested. Maybe in the field of science, maths, or computer, or different fields. You can make a conversation with them. Second point, read more and make time for active thinking sessions. So you have to read many books, or day by day you have to be it novels, short stories, blogs, or newspapers. You can daily website, you are getting some kind of knowledge, that also you can update it. Next one, challenge yourself every day. Challenge yourself every day. Try to come with something better every single day. It might not work on most day, but sometimes it will. So challenge yourself every day. Next one, have a high tolerance for failure. High tolerance for failure. So that is, fourth point is high tolerance for failure. We should think that a day we could not be. Many failures may happen. A day we will fail, second day we again or restart the work, then again we can limit. So like that. Last point, that is lead an interesting life. Lead an interesting. Like this way we can make our life happy. So every day, any new creative way of we are thinking, we will be very interested. Otherwise, every day the routine, it will make you fed up with our life. We want to be happy in your life. We want to be creative always. So the first point again we say, that is creativity, doing something in a different way of thinking. And to process that, what we think, we have to be act and product it. Then 4 points, have a great conversation. Make a conversation with the people who are knowing more about the things, more interested things, different fields of the work. Next one, read more and more and make more active thinking. So different stories, short stories, or other kinds of novels or websites. updating or whatever there is, you can get good knowledge. Then challenge yourself every day. Challenge yourself every day. Every day try to work hard. Have a high tolerance. When you work hard, you sure you will fail there. Don't be disappointed there. So we have to be awakened from there and do the work again. So last point, lead an interesting life. If we do such a way of work in our daily life, there will be happy life for us. It will be interest. It will be sure you will be successful in your life.